Want to start investing, but feel totally lost? Stocks, bonds, crypto, it's a lot. What if there was a simple way to own a piece of many different investments all at once? It stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of it like a pre-made basket filled with various investments: stocks, bonds, commodities, you name it. When you buy one share of an ETF, you're buying a tiny piece of everything inside that basket. Imagine an S&P 500 ETF. This basket holds stocks from the 500 largest companies in the US, like Apple, Microsoft, and Tesla. Buying this ETF means you instantly own a small slice of all 500 companies. They trade on stock exchanges, just like regular stocks, making them easy to buy and sell throughout the day. They give you instant diversification, spreading your money across many assets to reduce risk. Plus, they often have lower costs compared to other investment options. Instead of picking one stock and hoping it does well, an ETF lets you own a piece of an entire market or sector. If one company in the basket struggles, the others can help balance it out. It's investing made simpler and smarter for beginners. You can buy ETFs through almost any online brokerage account. Start small, do your research, and understand that all investing involves risk. But ETFs are a fantastic, accessible way to begin building your portfolio. ETFs are designed for ease and diversification, perfect for new investors. They make getting started less intimidating and more straightforward. Learn more and take your first step into the world of investing today.